I'm Iván Villalba, elite surf coaching founder. I started surfing in 1991. 1993, I have my first hit. I did all the mistakes you can do in competition in one hit, but that triggered me to change, to improve myself and learn how to compete, improve my surfing. And after that competition, that hit, I changed my mind and I want to improve myself. Then I was in the tour, European tour, around 15 years. I started competing in 1993, first regional, then national, and then in the European tour. Same time I started coaching in 2002, and in 2013 I created elite surf coaching. Why I created elite surf coaching? Because I want to make surf sustainable worldwide. I want to help people to understand about the surf etiquette and everyone improve their surfing. My goal as a surf coach is to make everyone surf better, make surfing more sustainable from the surf etiquette, and yeah, because I love it.